Leadership skills for engineers. Join engineer Wahaj Faisal, a dynamic leader and innovator, as he shares insights on essential leadership skills for engineers to excel professionally and personally. By Wahaj Faisal. Meet engineer Wahaj Faisal, dynamic leader or educator, motivational speaker. PEC certified engineer, industry consultant. Key roles: registered engineer, Pakistan Engineering Council chair, PEC Young Engineers Affairs Working Group senior project manager, industry engineering, Karachi, Pakistan. Engineer Wahaj Faisal mentors young engineers and shapes future leaders, blending technical expertise with leadership insights. 5 levels of leadership. 1. Positional leadership based on title or position. Common in Pakistan, 90%. 2. Permission: people follow because they like you, due to your attitude and listening. 3. Production: people join you for your achievements, you promote and build capacity. 4. Development: leaders who develop other leaders, AIG, country managers, source. 5. Pinnacle: supreme, charismatic national level leaders, AIG, Nelson Mandela. Leadership is a process, not a single event. We aim to elevate our leadership level. Session Agenda 1. Introduction to leadership, understanding leadership types and definitions. 2. Leadership laws, discussion of 11 universal laws and their implementation. 3. Leadership skills for engineers, practical application of leadership principles for engineers. Defining leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence, inspire, and guide others towards achieving a common goal. Leadership is about personal power and influence, not positional authority. It creates a progressive, advancing community focused on a common purpose. A leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Qualities of an effective leader: vision or purpose. Could you define where you want to go, how you plan to get there, and why? Leaders set clear destinations. Communication or influence: master the CCC rule, connect, convey, convince. Effective communication is vital. Leading by example: inspire others through your actions. Develop people and build high-performance teams. Adapting to change: embrace change and leave your comfort zone. Growth happens outside familiarity. Self-assessment or growth: reflect on your current leadership level. Is it positional or permission-based? Our objective is to elevate it. Define your personal vision and life goals today. Assess your communication. Do people enjoy sitting with you? Build an effective team that works with you. Accept change and opportunities without fear. Leader vs manager. Manager focuses on tasks and processes. Maintains the status quo. Relies on positional authority. Leader inspires and influences people. Drives change and innovation. Builds personal power and trust. In top-level interviews, distinguish yourself as a leader who cultivates followers towards a common goal, rather than just a manager. Thanks for your interest. By Wahaj Faisal.